Welcome to second part of second chapter, Windows Movie Maker. So today's first topic is adding images and videos. So to create a movie in Movie Maker, first of all you have to import videos, images or audio files. So whenever we start making a movie, we always keep something in mind. For example, if you want to create a movie for a birthday party, you need some birthday party videos, some images, some recordings also, some background music, etc. So all this first you have to collect somewhere, then you have to import it. So how to import it, let us see. So click on add videos and photos button, which is on the home tab in add group. See this image, first click here, home tab, then you will see add and add videos and photos, and this whole group is called add group. So when you click here, it will ask you to select files. See, add videos and photos. So select some videos and photos from your folder and then click on open here. Now there is some extra knowledge. We can make the movie and music and at the same time using the fit to music option. So if we click on this fit to music option, then your movie and music will end at the same time, and it is present on the project tab in audio group. So when you do practical in your computer, you can try this option. So this automatically adjusts the duration of both videos and photos as per the music. So let us come back. So what we did second part, second step, adding of videos and photos. Then choose your photos or videos from your folder. Here they are showing pictures folder. In pictures folder there is a sample pictures. Then after clicking on open, you will see the selected pictures on your storyboard. You already know what is a storyboard. It is that area on right hand side where all these pictures which you import, pictures or videos, are displayed. Now select all images by using shift key from the sample pictures folder. It means if you want to select all the images, then you can press Ctrl A or select one image, then press shift key, keep pressing shift key and select the last image. All the images will get selected. Then there is one more fact, publishing video. You can directly share your movie on various websites such as Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube, Flickr, etc. The sharing option are available under the share group on the home tab. So this is a quite beneficial feature. Make your movie in this software and directly publish it. Publish means uploading it on social networking sites. Similarly, you can import video clips to the storyboard with the help of same button. All the imported images and videos are arranged in storyboard pane as a film strip. You can customize the look of your storyboard by selecting the zoom in, zoom out button on the zoom slider bar. So this is your zoom slider bar. You know already what is zoom in and zoom out. See, this is your storyboard. and all the images or videos which you selected are displayed here, and from here you can zoom in or zoom out. To see preview of a video, what you can do, select that video and just click on play button. It starts playing here. So this is your preview window or preview monitor. It is just to see what is inside the selected video. Okay, there are two more facts. You can easily split your video clips in more parts and apply animation effects to it using the split button present on the edit tab in editing group. So see, where is your editing group? This is your editing group and it is inside edit tab. The splitting is very necessary tool because all the time we do not want the whole video to be used. We want some part of that video most of the times, or we want to remove some unnecessary parts from that video. In that case, split button is used. So what to do, you just have to select the desired position, then click on split button. It will get divided into two parts. Default extension of Windows Movie Maker is .wlmp. So you need to learn this. It may come in the form of fill in the blanks. Whatever project you are making here, it has to be stored. Otherwise you will lost all the information. It has to be stored before exporting. So first you make your window, you make your movie, then save it. It will automatically be saved by the name you provide. For example, if you provide movie1, then the name of that file will be movie1.wlmp. But this is not the movie which is to be uploaded. For that you need to export that movie. We will see later on. Now similarly you can add audio files. You can insert audio files to the clips or images to make the project more appealing. Windows Movie Maker allows you to record an audio from a microphone and use it as a narration in a video. For example, in a particular software, I am also narrating something to you. I am also speaking something to explain all these study materials. So this is recording going on. It is called narration on a video. So Windows Movie Maker also allows you to record an audio from a microphone. Now I am using microphone of my laptop. You can use microphone of your earphone also. So use it as a narration in a video. On playing the movie, the audio files will be played in background along with other media. So whatever I am saying, that is called narration. It will be played in the background along with my video. Varieties of audio video formats are supported by Windows Movie Maker such as MP3, WMA, ASF, etc. To add audio file, follow the given steps. Click on Add Music button present on the Home tab in the Add group. See this figure. Click on Home tab, click on Add Music. Then a dialog box will appear, which is shown in figure 2.7. These are called dialog boxes. So just select an audio music, or if you want to select all, then you can select all also. Then click on open. It means what are you doing? You are importing files. Import any file from the sample music or from any folder where you have stored your music. In the music library, this is just an example. In your book, you can use it for other folders also. For example, they have selected Kalimba here, and here it is written sleepaway.mp3. It means they have selected this file also, sleepaway. Click on open. Then in the storyboard pane, you will see that there is a green bar at the bottom of clips and images. See, this is green bar. This is your audio file which you have imported. So main step is finished now. Step of collecting all the media, audio files, video files, pictures, etc. Now what we have to do? We have to apply transitions. Now what are transitions? Transitions are special effects, visual effects, which are applied to your movie clips or photos, etc. Whenever a video clip is changed, you may see a particular transition. For example, so you might have seen one example of transition. So transitions are applied to add visual effects to the movie. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of a movie. Transitions can be added between two images, video clips, or titles. Transitions are not applied on audios. The effect range from simple fades to complicated graphical animations. It means there are variety of transitions which can be applied on your video clips or images. Now to apply transition, these are the steps. The first is click on animations tab. You will see a transition group. This is your transition group. The list of transitions is displayed in the transitions group. If you want to see more transitions, click here, and this button apply to all. If you click, for example, if you click here, transition will be applied to the selected video part. But if you click on apply to all, then all the videos and images will use this same transition. So click on more drop down arrow at the bottom right of the list, and the list expands into various categories like diagonals, dissolves, patterns and shapes, reveals, shatters, sweeps and curves, vibes, cinematic and contemporary. All these categories cannot be shown here in my video lecture. What you can do, try to use Windows Movie Maker at home, make a small movie and apply all these types of transitions. You will see their effects. Click on a video clip or image and then select any transition. It will be applied to the beginning of that clip or image. To apply transition to all clips and images in your project, just click on apply to all button, which is present here in this transition group. After that, play the video and notice the transition effect. So you can see here there are some transition effects showing here. It means all these clips have same transition effects. It will be opened like this from bottom to top right. So with this we have covered the following topics: features of Windows Movie Maker, starting Windows Movie Maker, components of Windows Movie Maker, adding images and videos, adding audio files, applying transitions and visual effects. Rest I will cover in third part of this chapter. So I hope you understood all these topics. You need to do practicals at home. Without practicals, you will not get the idea behind all these topics. So do practicals, and if you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. So right now I am closing this video. All the best. Thank you.